Hi guys, so day 3. So this is day 3. Just getting started with the breakfast. तो आज में so कि 10 बजे उठी हूँ. Breakfast closes at 10:30, so I need to hush. I played today this dal, this paratha. Paratha is really nice and flaky. Breakfast is done, shower is done, and now I'm just gonna get ready. The itinerary today, I have Gardens by the Bay, Arts and Science Museum, and a couple more things. So essentially it's all indoors, so rain shouldn't be. Finally, I'm out. काफ़ी देर हो गई आज. It's 12:30. Yesterday we left for the day around 9. Guys, this is the double decker bus. अभी ये एकदम खाली है तो मैं दिखा देती हूँ. This is the first floor. There's the ground floor, and असली मज़ा तो इस बस में ही बैठ गया है. आई थिंक दिस हैज़ बीन ट्रूली अ यूनिक एक्सपीरियंस. गाइस, क्विक कॉफी ब्रेक क्या स्टार्ट ही नहीं हुआ है अभी हमारा डे. इट्स 1 o'clock एंड वी आर सुपर लेट. एनीवेज, दिस इज अरेबिकाज कॉफी. आई डोंट नो, इंडिया में तो नहीं है ये, बट इफ wherever you are, if they have an outlet there, do try it out. बहुत ज़्यादा tasty है. And I want to show you, I'm walking on this bridge जो basically the shops और Garden by the Bay को connect करता है, and it goes ऐसे. This is the Marina Bay Sands Hotel. मुर्गी देख के तो खुश हो रहे हैं. Guys, it's super hot, so stay hydrated with coffee or water, whatever you like. Guys, this is the cloud forest. As soon as you enter, you see this waterfall. Let's see what's more over here.
Can you do that? Okay, let's give it a try. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. I think you've gotten her attention. Good job. Okay, let's try to calm her down. The Navi word for calm is Mawe. Let's say it together. Mawe. Oh. Hey, has anybody seen another banshee around the area? Anyone? Where? Over there. Oh, thank you so much.
Right now I am at Flower Dome. This is like a really huge dome which houses plants and flowers of so many varieties. Some Australian, Asian, Farana, Ghana. And well, it's very, very pretty. And there is some stuff like this also very pretty. गाइस, इतना घूम के भूख लग गई. टाइम फॉर सम लंच. Like multiple exhibitions going on inside this museum. Today we're gonna go to the Future World Museum. Here I am coloring this seahorse. ये template आपको वहीं मिल जाएगा Future Museum से. And the fun part is once you color it, you need to submit it and they're gonna scan it. हाँ देखो यहाँ पे scan हो रहा है ये. And once it gets scanned, you can see your painting floating on the big screen. Just wait and watch. Gardens by the Bay. We went inside this building. This is the Arts and Science Museum, and now I have booked a cruise for 7 PM जिसमें अभी almost 1 hour है. So in the meantime I'm gonna do some shopping as I'm at the shops. I was hoping कि cruise की time ऐसी हो कि हमें cruise से sunset दिखे, but the timing is not working out for the sunset. But चलो कोई नहीं, जो भी दिखेगा अच्छा ही दिखेगा. Let's see. Cute, huh? Guys, going to get the Venchi ice cream. So fun story. जब मैं पहली बार इटली गई थी तब मुझे इस आइसक्रीम पार्लर के बारे में पता चला. And at the time I did not have their ice cream because I thought it was around 10,000 per scoop.
भाई इसके लिए कम से कम 70 लाख रुपए चाहिए. 70 लाख!
How crazy was I? Anywho, finally trying out their awesome gelato. Ice cream भी नहीं कहूँगी मैं इसको. It's a gelato and it was worth every penny. And no guys, this was not rupees 10,000 per ice cream. So we are finally going on the river cruise. It was 7 o'clock today, but it was overbooked. So we were not allowed to board on it. In the meantime, I discovered this really cool vending machine जिससे orange से juice निकलता है, like proper orange juice, fresh, no added sugar and stuff. काफी सही था. We were craving Indian food, so we came to Punjab Grill, which is like a 5-star Indian restaurant in Singapore. मतलब ये Marina Bay Sands में है. Now the gravity of that is Valentino, Prada, Gucci, all these kind of brands आपको मिलेगा. तो imagine कि between these brands there is an Indian restaurant as well यहाँ पे. So yes, obviously super expensive. तो अभी हमने खाना तो ऑर्डर कर दिया है. वी गॉट स्टार्टर्स में स्टार्टर्स भी नहीं है, जस्ट अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री खाकरा विद सम चटनी, वेरी टेस्टी. नाउ वी प्लेस्ड आवर ऑर्डर, लेकिन खाना अब तक नहीं आया. इट्स बिन व्हाट 20 minutes. सर्विस इज़ अ बिट स्लो फॉर अ 5-star, आई मस्ट से. मे बी दे विल कॉम्पनसेट विद द टेस्ट ऑफ फूड. वेरी टेस्टी. All in all, amazing. So guys, just arrived at Gardens by the Bay for their daily show called Garden Rhapsody. It's a musical show and it's free of cost, so do come here whenever you're in Singapore. It was beautiful to watch and a great way to end the night. Day 4 and you're watching my Singapore vlog. कल मेरा पूरा इंडोर एक्टिविटी था तो सनी था. आज मेरा पूरा आउटडोर एक्टिविटी है. सो इट्स रेनिंग लाइक कैट्स एंड डॉग्स, बट होपफुली इट विल स्टॉप. यहाँ पे बारिश बहुत लॉन्ग टाइम के लिए तो नहीं होती है. आज बस आ गई क्या? बस ही नहीं आ रही है धीरे धीरे. डिड लिटिल समथिंग टू माई हेयर. आई होप इट लुक्स क्यूट. I am at the Orchard Street. So basically Orchard Street पे सारे malls हैं या stores हैं. We're gonna check out that famous area जहाँ पे वो Prada वाला store है. But इससे पहले quick coffee break. Tops की तो बहुत ही अच्छी थी. I had the Kyoto latte. Today I'm having Spanish latte. Guys, this is the infamous Orchard Street. Orchard Road, where you can find big brands, all high-end brands. Okay, bade stores. For us, the damage is already done, so we're not gonna go anywhere now. Finally, going to Shake Shack. It's been raining like crazy यहाँ पे सुबह से. Obviously, you can see how my hair is all worked up because of the humidity and rain. But anyways, I head to Little India after this. Arab Street, then to Haji Lane. Yeah. Also fun fact, Little India में there is this big bazaar sort of a store जो यहाँ पे Dawn का है. So I'm gonna check that out. गाइज आई एम फाइनली इन लिटिल इंडिया। और अगर मैं आपको सिर्फ इतना ही सेक्शन ऑफ माई वीडियो दिखाऊं, आपको लगेगा मैं इंडिया में ही हूँ। So guys, this is the Mustafa market. Apparently it's the cheapest market, मतलब Amazon वाले रेट्स मिल जाते हैं यहाँ पे। So we are just here to explore. मुझे अब ऐसा लग रहा है शायद ये मार्केट इतनी भी फेक नहीं है, क्योंकि आई जस्ट चेकड आउट YSL का परफ्यूम का प्राइस। सो फॉर 90 ml यहाँ पे इट इज़ 10K, whereas on Nykaa you get it for 8500 rupees. So बट यहाँ पे आई फाउंड टोरी बर्च, कोच, केट स्पेड, वो कंपैरेटिवली सस्ता है। लाइक अब मुझे ऐसा ट्रस्ट नहीं हो रहा कि इफ इट्स रियल और फेक, सो ऑब्वियसली नॉट गोना बाय इट, बट आई डोंट नो। यहाँ पे हर जगह लिखा तो है दैट काउंटरफीट प्रोडक्ट इज लाइक एन ऑफ पनिशेबल ऑफेंस, बट यू नेवर नो, दिस अ वर्क अराउंड। गाइस मैं तो परेशान हो गई हूँ यार, एकदम सुपर क्राउडेड, धक्का मुक्की एंड लाइक नथिंग वर्थ। अगर आप इंडिया से ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो एकदम ही मत आना। अगर आप किसी दूसरी कंट्री से आ रहे हो और एंड यू फील लाइक गोइंग बैक टू इंडिया, जस्ट कम हियर। आपका मन उठ जाएगा, 2 मिनट में वापस भागोगे। Found the Sarojini of Singapore, which is basically Bugis Street. There are clothes, bags, everything. Let me see. यहाँ पे they are selling one for $12. How much is $12? 700-800. I feel this market is more for people who live here. क्योंकि as tourist I am definitely not inclined. As a tourist, I'm definitely not inclined to buy stuff from here, but I'm seeing really cool stuff like these pants. एक skirt देखी मैंने पीछे, काफी सही थी. So not, I mean, okay, I'm seeing some really good options. Narrow place ही है. Okay, guys, finally taking the MRT for the first time. जितना मैंने videos में देखा है, MRT is just like Delhi Metro. बिल्कुल ही स्टेशन भी और ट्रेन भी वैसे ही है। लेट्स सी। तक तो थोड़ी हौस खास मेट्रो स्टेशन वाइब आ रही है। नेट्स पास और द ईज़ीलिंक पास, व्हाटएवर, इट्स गोना वर्क ऑन योर मेट्रो, ऑन योर बसेस, एवरीवेयर। मूवी देखने के बाद लग रही है भूख। रात के हो रहे हैं 12 साढ़े 12। हाय गाइस, गुड मॉर्निंग, दिस इज डे 5। ओके, टिम टैम के खा रहे हैं या। तो टुडे इट्स डे 5, वी हैव चेक्ड आउट फ्रॉम आवर होटल और अभी हम जा रहे हैं मरीना बे सैंड्स ऑब्जर्वेटरी, बिकॉज कुछ नहीं, लोग जाते हैं वहाँ पे। अभी मैं मरीना बे सैंड्स आई हूँ बिकॉज मेरा ऑब्जर्वेटरी टार जाना रहता था। But before that, I'm gonna grab my coffee from Arabica, the usual, and उसके बाद हम चलते हैं observatory tower. Cute! And I got this new bag. This is so pretty from Charles and Keith. This थोड़ा change of plan. Before going to the observatory tower, we are gonna have some burgers from Black Tap. Guys, the food here is too good. तो अगर आप सिंगापुर आए, मरीना बे सैंड्स आए, तो do try out anything from here. Sky Park. उनको स्काई पार्क ठीक है। आप किसी भी अट्रैक्शन में जाओगे, वो जाते ही आपकी फ़ोटो क्लिक करेंगे and then they'll hand you this QR code for you to see these pictures when you end the tour. Thank you.
Level 56. Okay.
For you to see these pictures and पैसे देके आप इनका print पे निकाल सकते हो. They're like pretty expensive also. Thank you. Observation deck. Let me set the context of this deck. ये कोई मामूली deck नहीं है. I'll put a picture here. So basically इस picture में जो आपको वो boat-like structure दिख रहा है, I am there right now. I am sitting there right now. I am just observing the view. It's beautiful. I would have preferred to come around the sunset time because this is 180-degree deck. You get a 180-degree view and you will see the sunset. So my recommendation would be to come around 6 and then stay here from 6 to 7. You will get beautiful views of the golden hour, and so I am kind of regretting coming here during the day, but unfortunately मेरी रात की flight है, so I had to come here right now. Look at the view. So one thing that was like meh is that we are on the 56th floor. The highest observation deck that I have been to is the one in Melbourne. That was the 88th floor. This is the 56th floor, so it did not seem as high, but when you come here I think the deck is better than most of the decks I have seen. It gives you space. There's ample space. There are no net like structures. आपको ऐसा लगेगा आप actually view देख रहे हो, which is pretty cool. So that's great. तो सिंगापुर में you can experience multiple weathers एक साथ. Right now it's hot. अभी बारिश होगी. I can give you a 200% guarantee. अभी थोड़ी देर में बारिश होगी. After that it will be a bit cool and then it will be humid. That's the cycle in which Singapore operates. Linen clothes like this or cotton clothes, that is the best way to go here. And of course wear comfortable footwear because you walk a lot. Yeah, what else? Oh, one more thing. यहाँ पे when you take the MRT or when you take the bus, one thing I noticed here is when you have to take the bus, even if you are at the bus stop, you need to give them a hand. Basically you need to show your intent of boarding that particular bus जो भी आई है, otherwise वो चले जाएंगे. We are back in Sentosa because we had some time to kill before our flight. There is an aquarium here. I've been to an aquarium in Sydney. I think ये वैसे ही experience होगा, but this aquarium has the largest tank in the world, so that is something unique and I'm looking forward to that. Guys, basically in the discovery pool they let you touch the fish, whatever the organism is there in the pool today. Let's see आज क्या है. Guys, we are done with the sea aquarium. It was good. Matlab, I've been there before, so the hype was not as much. But if you are coming here for the first time and you've never been to the sea aquarium, so it's a must visit. Do come here. You will enjoy it. I'm heading to the airport now. और इतना मनोसियत है. I'll show. आज एकदम clear sky है यहाँ सिंगापुर में. 3 दिन से बारिश ही पे बारिश हो रही थी, but the sky today is absolutely clear. अपनी मोमा है. Going to the lounge for Singapore airport. इंडिया की तो बहुत देख ली. अब यहाँ की देखते हैं गाइस। So guys, अभी I'm inside this lounge known as the SATS lounge at Changi Airport. The food here is actually pretty good. मतलब मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था if this is gonna be a Chinese lounge or what lounge. Now guys, we are going to this lounge क्योंकि हमारे पास unlimited lounge access है somehow. Getting out of this premium plaza lounge, it was really good. हालत ख़राब हो गई है मेरी तो आज. I felt सिंगापुर में कुछ भी सस्ता नहीं है. I mean, in terms of cosmetics, perfumes, nothing is cheap. The only thing cheap over here is Charles and Keith. Miserably cheap. Cheap भी नहीं कहूँगी मैं, but yes, miserably discounted than India. So if you ever come here, खाली बैग के साथ आना, Charles and Keith भर के लेके जाना. So I bought a bag and उस बैग को मैं ऐसे लेके जा रही हूँ. इस बैग के अंदर वो बैग है जो मैं साथ में लेकर आई थी. So yeah. ऐसे जुगाड़ लगाने पड़ रहे हैं, बट अगर आपको ऐसे जुगाड़ नहीं लगाने हैं तो प्लीज़ सेव सम स्पेस फॉर योर शॉपिंग. दिस ब्रिंग्स अस टू द एंड ऑफ आवर व्लॉग. आई होप यू लाइक्ड इट. सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम.